Dali lingkod na. My name
My name
is
is
Jasmine
Jasmine
Alcantara.
Alcantara.
I live
I live
in
in
Barangay
Barangay
Payaw,
Payaw,
Katbalugan,
Balugan,
Samar.
Samar.
I am
I am
2
2
years
years
old.
old.
My mother
My mother
is
is
Christina
Lena
Alcantara.
Alcantara.
My father
My father
is
is
Jonathan
Jonathan
Alcantara.
Alcantara.
My brother
My brother
is
is
William
William
James
William James
Alcantara.